With the invention of the microscope, we are able to understand life even better. But what is a microscope? A microscope is a tool that is used to see organisms or objects that are too small to be seen by the naked eye. The microscope makes these small objects look bigger. Some of the tiny objects or organisms that can be seen using a microscope are the following: plant cells, animal cells, and microorganisms such as bacteria. The different strains of virus such as coronavirus can also be seen using a microscope. Scientists are using the microscope in understanding the structure of the coronavirus to develop a vaccine for coronavirus disease 2019 or COVID-19. The science of investigating very tiny organisms and small objects using the microscope